It be hit.
Alright, well now, I'll start moving once we start leaving. And the ambiance in this game is fantastic. Oh, there's already a totem right next to me. And here's one of those random tombstones. Yeah, this place just doesn't have the same effect as all the other places. Just ain't spooky, I mean. That other place was creepy because, I mean... Oh, a tunnel. Oh man, how much am I going to regret going into a tunnel? I'm going to find out if I go through. I thought that was the radio. Nope, just some cicadas. What are cicadas doing in the jungle? Okay. The way they get louder and softer is actually kind of weird. Does plenty for the ambiance. I will assure you that much right now. Oh yeah, David. Yeah, I totally looked at a tiki earlier, like at that 5 minutes thing or 6 or whatever I lasted. Yeah, I just looked at a tiki and cut myself off. It was like, yeah, I'm getting creeped out, so I'm just gonna kill myself. That's how come I delete my videos so much faster than everybody else's. Oh, hello, I found one. Alright, I found one. Here we go. This is the moment. Don't listen to this tape, you hear me? If you listen to this tape, then I'll get you. Well, thank you for warning me on the tape, jerk. Alright, well, let's look for him. Hey, you over here? No? Right there. Oh, he's right there. He is right there. Right in front of me. I turned to look for him, look forward, and he was where I was. Alright, let's be with the darkness. The darkness is our friend. Alright, running for the hills. Here we go. Oh man, I could go through this tunnel, but then I'm done. I'm gonna die if I go through this tunnel. Why am I going through this tunnel? I'm not dead. That's bonus. Oh man, the fan just tipped my leg. That's weird. Weird. Oh, there's a tiki. I'm gonna have to turn around. I just don't wanna. Shut off the flashlight for a bit. Put it back on. Oh, I found another one. You can't see it, but it's all over this place. Oh man. They really do say something on these random tapes. Oh, let's just keep on running. Keep on trucking, as it were. Oh, here's the creepy statues. There's none on the statues, so let's just run this way. Oh man, now I'm actually getting sweaty. That didn't happen to me last time. This place gets to you after a while. The other one's just right away. You're like, oh man, this is creepy. No, this one you gotta wait a bit. Oh, he's right beside me. Absolutely directly beside me. Hello, Senor Jerkbag. Just really keep that light off. Found a ghost. Found somebody's ghost. Ghost? Oh, that's a tiki. That is a tiki right next to Senor Ghosty. Oh man, this is a creepy game. At times, of course. I like how there's a light underneath our door. It just doesn't really help the ambience at all. So I'm like, oh well, people are right there. No. Anybody in this sheer tunnel? No? Okay, I'll go straight. I don't get why there's a red light on those humongous palm trees. I did it for Toulouse. Alrighty then. I am down and no longer alive. 5:37.